Hello everyone, welcome to a new session on OPEP devices, that is oscillatory positive expiratory pressure devices. Some of the devices are Flutter, a cappella. In our session, we'll be discussing on how to use a Flutter device. Flutter device, it comes in the form of a cigar shaped. You can open it. I'll just tell you the parts. There's an iron ball. There's a conical beam. This is of utmost importance, which I am explaining. And you can cap it like this. Next step, I will be discussing on how to perform this device. What are the indications? This is indicated especially in bronchiectasis, chronic respiratory conditions with COPD, with excessive sputum productions. So we prescribe this device to patients who are unable to expectorate, who have thick sputum, so that it prevents the vicious cycle of bronchiectasis. How to perform is, you ask the patient to inhale deeply and exhale steadily for up to 3 to 5 seconds. It creates an oscillation due to the pressure of this iron ball. As a result, it helps to loosen the mucus, which occurs due to the vibration. I'll explain to you. Take a deep breath and slow and steady exhalation. You should know that this limb of this Flutter device, it should be parallel with the horizontal ground. After 10 to 15 similar breaths, the patient is asked to do a huff-cough method. Huff-cough includes the patient is asked to inhale deeply and open his mouth and start coughing forcefully, so that the vibrated and the loosened mucus comes out. This is one session. The patient is asked to repeat 3 to 4 sessions per day. And moreover, after each session, the patient is asked to clean the device. He should open the device, clean the ball, iron ball, as well as the conical beam. So this is the Flutter device. Listen to me carefully, as this is not explained in any of the videos. There is an iron ball inside. This is what it creates the positive expiratory pressure. You are asked to exhale through this limb. As a result, it creates a pressure and it vibrates. Here you can see a conical beam. Okay, it's a simple device. You just keep it like this, keep the iron ball and close it. That's it. And here you can see the vents. This vent is you are supposed to close it once your each session is over, and you are supposed to open it once you start the session. In case you feel you need more resistance to expectorate, you can close it. As a result, it creates more positive pressure. One important advice which I give to all my patients is, especially the COPD patients or with bronchiectasis, is to remain hydrated. It helps to loosen the mucus. They are advised to use inhalers along with this device and chest physiotherapy. This is the primary goal, to expectorate and break the vicious cycle. That's all for now. Thank you.